In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your HP DeskJet all-in-one printer. If we look at the printer control panel, we see E4 error with flashing light that is just on the paper. That means there is a paper jam in the printer. If we look here, we can see there is a paper stuck inside for some reason, and we can pull it out from here. Or if you don't see the paper there, if it's gone inside, you can just open the front chamber and you will see there is a paper. So move the print heads to one side and you can just take the paper out from here. So there are two ways to remove the paper from this printer. So that's the paper which was stuck inside. Close this door. Go to the printer control panel. On the control panel, click on the cancel button once. The error will go away and now your printer is ready for printing. Thanks for watching.